Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about earthquake preparedness and the importance of being ready for such disasters. In the event of an earthquake, there are several steps individuals can take to ensure their safety. The first step is to remember the acronym DCHD: drop, cover, hold on, and distance. When an earthquake occurs, it is important to drop to the ground to prevent falling or being knocked over. Find cover under a sturdy table or furniture to protect yourself from falling debris. Hold on to something secure to maintain your balance and prevent yourself from being thrown around. It is also crucial to distance yourself from unstable objects such as glass or windows to avoid injury. If you are outdoors during an earthquake, try to move away from buildings and electrical poles. Stay clear of wires, especially power lines and street lights. If you are driving, if you are driving, stopping, stop and find an open area and remain inside the vehicle unless you can identify a safer location nearby. Always prioritize your safety and avoid parking under bridges, street lights, or power lines. As someone who values survival, I believe in being prepared ahead of time. It is advisable to have an emergency kit ready, as recommended by the government and local authorities. This kit should include basic supplies such as water, food, communication tools, a source of fire, and lighting equipment. It is my hope that we never have to use these supplies, but it is always better to be prepared. After an earthquake, if you are safe and have the ability to help others, it is important to do so. However, always prioritize your own safety and ensure that the immediate danger has passed. Secondary hazards such as collapse buildings, bridges, or power lines can pose significant risks. Additionally, there may be the potential for fires or outbreaks of disease due to contaminated water sources or other factors. While the urgency of secondary hazard may not be as high, it is still important to take precautions. If possible, assist others by providing first aid, such as stopping bleeding or embolizing fractures. Offer food and water to those in need and make note of their location if they are unable to escape. Use markers or write down their location on paper or your clothing and relay this information to rescue teams or authorities as soon as possible. In the aftermath of an earthquake, it is crucial to avoid using open flames and to maintain communication with the outside world. If you have stored supplies, ensure that your communication devices are functioning properly to receive information and stay in contact with others. Most importantly, despite the fear that may arise during such events, remember to stay calm. Think about your loved ones, including your pets, and keep a level head. I have personally practiced and prepared myself for such situations. Although my knowledge may not be comprehensive, It is important to refer to professional organizations and the government agencies for accurate information focused on self-rescue and assist others if you have the ability to do so. I hope that this recent earthquake does not cause significant harm to Taiwan, and I wish for peace and safety for the world and Taiwan. Thank you all.